Are you tired of messy oil sprays and excessive purchases? Meet the oil spray bottle, your new kitchen ally. Customers love this product. They find it practical and efficient for cooking. Many state it works well and saves money on oil purchases. One feedback highlights the unique fan spray pattern, providing even coverage. However, opinions vary on quality. Some users praise its construction, while others report leaks or breakages within 2 weeks. This mixed feedback is essential to consider before purchasing. Ease of use is a common theme. Customers appreciate the simple operation, even with one hand. It's easy to fill and doesn't drip, making it an ideal tool for any kitchen. Many say it allows for controlled oil usage, ensuring your pans receive just the right amount. Positive feedback flows on the spray quality. Users love the fine mist, making it perfect for greasing pans and air fryers. Some even mention how it helps them use less oil, enhancing health benefits. Value for money stands out. Users feel this spray bottle is worth every penny. It combines quality, functionality, and affordability. With multi-purpose designs, it's a fantastic alternative to canned oil sprays. In summary, the oil spray bottle has received mixed but mostly positive reviews. Its ease of use, spray quality, and value make it a worthwhile kitchen addition. However, keep in mind the potential concerns regarding leaks and durability. Are you ready to elevate your cooking experience? Get your own oil spray bottle today. Enjoy a cleaner, healthier, and more efficient cooking journey.